Are you ready for the next Bitcoin price drop? The liquidation map shows a little bit of liquidity below us, so we need to be very, very careful right now. But first, let's go and take a look here at the Bitcoin chart, see what happened in the last 24 hours. We can see we are still moving sideways. We dipped a little bit down below to 106, then had a nice bounce back again, and now it's the time. Either we are going to create a higher high here above the $109,000 area, or we are gonna face a rejection here and go back below and even lower. In my opinion, as I mentioned to you, my entry price target is at $102,000, and that's where we also gonna set an order today. Let's do it. I'm gonna start slowly laddering in to my positions. We can see it here, 102. I'm gonna open a quite small position. I also started $1,000 to $1 million challenge. I'm posting it on TikTok, on Instagram, and also I'm gonna share some updates here. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss the opportunity. You can also trade with me together and reach the $1 million together. Now let's see here. I want to start adding a little bit of here. Let's do it. Just a small order here at the 102 in case we are gonna drop down below, because we can see there is a lot of bearish energy in the market right here. We can see the trend is going down, and as you know, the trend is your friend until the end. And for now, the trend, the overall trend here, if we look, it's still bearish. We are still slightly going downwards, so we need to be careful with our trading capital. Don't jump into any trades right now. It's very important that you have patience and wait for the right opportunity. Now, what else do we have here on Bitcoin? We can see lower high, lower high. Here we try to go above, but still lower high. And now probably going to go for another lower low. Probably here around that. That's where I'm going to start entering. And the next support zone would be here at around $98,000. I still think it's quite unlikely that Bitcoin will go below $100,000. But I definitely think it's very possible that we're going to touch this liquidation spike support zone again. That happens quite often in the markets. When we see this kind of liquidation crashes, we usually test them again, form a double bottom there, and then start going back to the upside. Now let's talk here about the liquidity map. We can see here this a lot of liquidity here at the 104 and also below us at 106 straight ahead. When we can see there is not so much liquidity on the upside, so it means it's more likely that we are going to go below there. Let's actually check out also the bigger liquidation heat map here. And yeah, we can see we still have some liquidity here at 116, but I think it's unlikely we're going to go and touch it very soon. I think we will see something like this. Let me quickly show it to you on the chart. We will see something right now. We have this, then we pump back up, then again consolidating here, and then testing again the bottom right here, and then we're gonna go back to the $120,000. That's my prediction for the upcoming weeks. It depends a lot if we're gonna cut the interest rates this week. If the Fed is gonna cut the interest rates by 50 basis points, this might bring a lot of new liquidity and some more bullish momentum to the market. But for now, I'm on the sidelines. I have some small shorts for my $1,000 challenge. We can see here very small short just with $50 in margin, which I already made almost 14% just in one day. So still happy with that. You know, it's about compounding every day. So even if you make 1% per day, it's still a lot if you look at the bigger compounding effect. Now let's talk also here about the other indicators. We have the fear and greed indicator sitting at 33 right now. We have the altcoin season index at around 26 right now. So now the altcoins here are not so interesting for the market, which might be a good time to buy some altcoins. Like I'm definitely looking at Solana, Ethereum, and maybe even Cardano. I think Cardano has still a strong community and a lot of and a lot of opportunity for everyone out there. We're just at 60 cents right now, so still some good. Let's look at the chart for Cardano just a little bit. Right here, where have we been past previous months? We've been like already at 132. This was in December, so we can easily double here. Still, I like Solana more, but Cardano is still one of the more stable altcoins out there. So right now, it's better to protect your capital. Don't try to chase any meme coins that are gonna do whatever excess. Usually, they all go down, and like that, you lose your capital. Much more important, play it safe, play it stable, and compound over a longer period of time. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye. Bye.